Hello! Welcome back to Kokolo English. In this class, you'll learn English step by step. This is real-life English you can use right away.
Yes, welcome back for another ESL lesson.
When you meet a friend, you say hello, and when you leave, you say goodbye. Today, we will learn 3 ways of saying goodbye in English.
We say goodbye in different ways, depending on the situation. Okay, let's start today's lesson.
Each lesson is designed for you to listen to examples and then practice speaking. When you hear examples, the female voice with red text is me, Paris.
And the male voice with blue text is me, Mark.
After we speak, the green box signals it's time for you to practice speaking. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Mistakes are an important part of learning. Just keep trying.
What does a goodbye mean? A goodbye is what you say when you leave someone. You said goodbye to friends, classmates, or coworkers.
In English, goodbye can be informal, semi-formal, or formal. It's important you learn each type and when to use it.
These are lesson words to remember. Goodbye, what you say when you leave, informal, relaxed, and friendly. Semi-formal, polite and friendly. Formal, polite and serious.
Informal goodbye. First, let's learn an informal goodbye. We use this with friends or people we know well. This is an example of an informal goodbye. I have to go now, Mark.
Okay, see you later, Paris.
See you.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Now it's time for you to practice speaking. If you make a mistake, try again. You can do it. I have to go now, Mark.
Okay, see you later, Paris.
See you.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye and see you are 2 informal goodbyes.
Semi-formal goodbye. Now let's practice a semi-formal goodbye. We use this goodbye at school or work. This is an example of a semi-formal goodbye.
I need to leave now, Mark.
All right, have a good day, Paris.
Thank you, you too.
See you tomorrow.
See you then.
Goodbye. Now it's time for you to practice speaking.
I need to leave now, Mark.
All right, have a good day, Paris.
Thank you, you too.
See you tomorrow.
See you then.
Goodbye. Have a good day is polite and friendly.
Formal goodbye. Now let's listen to a formal goodbye. We use this at work or with important people. It was nice speaking with you, Mr. Smith.
Thank you, Paris.
I must go now.
Yes, of course.
Goodbye. Have a nice evening.
Goodbye, take care.
Now it's time for you to practice speaking. It was nice speaking with you, Mr. Smith.
Thank you, Paris.
I must go now.
Yes, of course.
Goodbye. Have a nice evening.
Goodbye, take care.
Goodbye and have a nice evening are both formal.
Now let's have a lesson review together. An informal goodbye with a friend, you say, bye or see you. See you, Paris. A semi-formal goodbye at work, you say, have a good day. Have a good day, Paris. In a formal goodbye situation, you say goodbye. Goodbye, Mr. Smith, it was nice meeting you. Choose the right goodbye for the right situation.
That's all for today's lesson. Great work. Remember to practice your goodbyes every day. Please give us a like and subscribe for more upcoming lessons. I will post a new lesson every day. Thanks for learning with Cocolo English. See you next time. Goodbye.